Hey guys, I was just thinking lately that I'm not out to create another worship guitar tutorial that shows you how to play every part of every song that you want to learn. I'm actually wanting to go a level deeper because my heart is to equip guitarists out there in the worship spectrum who want to better understand what they're actually playing. So, what's the theory behind it? All good and, well and truly good to go and copy a part, play exactly note for note, but not actually know, okay, what notes am I playing? What are the chord shapes that this is based on? What are the scales that have been used to create the lines and the riffs? If you were to somehow transpose a song to a different key that you wouldn't normally play it in, would you be able to do it? If you were to try and explain it to somebody else without a guitar, how would you explain it? That's a good one. But yeah, that's my heart. I want worship guitarists around the world to treat music seriously, to treat their craft seriously, and want them to strive for not just being able to play something practically, but being able to understand it and understand where the songwriters and maybe the composers and the music directors came from when they were putting parts together. And yeah, so once again, I'm not out to compete with all the channels out there that are doing an excellent job at showing you how to play parts note for note, especially based on multitracks.com, which is as official as you can get. But I do want to pass on my knowledge about music theory, guitar theory, to better equip you. So if that resounds with you, let me know in the comments, give me a like or whatever. Until next time, see you later.